Now, Imran Khan is in a very dire situation. He's being held in prison. What they have in mind for Prime Minister Khan,
which is to keep him out of the forthcoming elections, because he remains, every opinion poll that's been able to be taken of any credibility shows him remaining as the most popular politician in Pakistan. There is no doubt whatsoever that these charges of corruption are ridiculous in the Pakistani context. Imran Khan, there are many things you can say about Imran. There are things you can say against Imran. There are very many good things about the man. But one thing he is not is corrupt. This is a man who has actually given the majority of his personal wealth to found 3 hospitals in Pakistan. He is not somebody who's going